Okay, I couldn't wait for the water test in the bag at the end of the season. I wanted to go ahead and see what the stress was going to be on this. So I threw one up real quick here with a 10 frame deep that I built out of 2x6. So it's pretty heavy. The box itself weighs about 38 pounds. It's fully loaded with frames. So we got 38 pounds there. These blocks right here, let me get that again for you here so you can see. Two of them weighs 38.2 pounds. So we're going to see how much it's going to take to break this off the wall here. There's two. That's 38 pounds. There's 3, 4. It's got it stretched out pretty good, doesn't it? Yeah, it's just about to rise up out of there, so. And it finally gave up. It took almost 100 pounds to pull it out. And what pulled it out was the 1.25 inch screws I put in the piece that's holding the teeth prong. It had an 1.25 inch screw in there. So if I'd have had 2.5 inch screws in there like I had in here, it'd still be on the wall. So I guess it is pretty tough. Surprised me. I didn't think it would hold that much. I just added it up. That was 111 pounds before it gave away, and that was with 1.25 inch screws. So if I'd used 2.5 inch screws in there, it'd still be on the wall, I believe. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later.